Okay, if you're sailing on the Disney Destiny and you want one of the most magical, easiest, and most organized character experiences on board, this is it. This is the Royal Gathering. 4 princess meet and greets in one experience with a reserved time window, and it's totally free. But here's the catch. It can fill up fast. So in this video, we are walking you through exactly how to sign up and when and why the line moves so quickly and what it actually felt like for our family meeting Moana, Rapunzel, Tiana, and Belle. Royal Gathering is Disney Cruise Line's princess meet and greet experience where you meet multiple princesses in one stop. Instead of tracking down separate meet times all over the ship, you book a specific time window and Disney keeps everything smooth and magical. It is designed for families, but honestly, it is for anyone who wants that classic Disney moment, the photos, the hugs, the I can't believe this is real face, and the memories. And the best part? There is no extra charge. Royal Gathering is complimentary, which is kind of amazing when you think about how special it feels. Quick reality check. Royal Gathering is popular for a reason, and the reservations can disappear quickly. If you wait and think, I'll just do this later, you might open the app and find no times left. So if this is on your must-do list, the goal is simple. Book it as early as you can once your window opens. Here is the simple game plan. Make sure your cruise is paid in full, your Disney Cruise Line account is set up, and you can log in without any issues. Royal Gathering reservations typically open 30 days before your sail date. If you are in concierge category, your booking window may open earlier. Either way, set a reminder and be ready because this is one of those things people jump on. Go into your Disney Cruise Line plans area or the DCL app once it's available for your sailing. Find Royal Gathering and select the available time slot. You are essentially choosing a start window. If your first choice is gone, grab whatever is available. A Royal Gathering at a less perfect time is still better than no gathering at all. Quick note, this is the kind of thing we always forget unless we write it down. So we keep it all in our digital cruise organizer. Reservation dates, reminders, daily plans, everything. If you want to stay organized too, we have it linked below. One of the best parts of Royal Gathering is that it does not feel like a messy, overwhelming line. The reason is simple. Disney uses staggering start times, usually in 15-minute windows.
Every time, I get misty-eyed.
And they limit how many guests can book each start time. So instead of everyone arriving at once, guests are spaced out. That means check-in is quick, the line keeps moving, the vibe totally stays calm, and it feels organized instead of chaotic. Even when it is busy, it flows. It is one of those rare cruise moments where you can actually relax and enjoy it while still getting all the princess magic. All right, now for the most important part, what it actually felt like. From the second we walked in, it had that Disney, this is so special feeling. The lighting, the setup, the music, the cast, it all feels like you've stepped into a little royal moment that is just for your family. And our 3 kids, they loved it. All 3 of them had their very own favorite moment. And it was one of those experiences where you just are watching their faces more than anything else because their reactions are everything. Rapunzel was pure sunshine. She was playful, sweet, and so easy to talk to. Tiana was pure elegance, confidence, and kindness all rolled into one. The kids were so excited to meet her, and she made them feel like the most important guests in the room. Belle was calm and thoughtful, and she truly took her time. The kids were engaged, and you could tell it was just not a quick smile and move on moment. Moana had this warm, adventurous energy that instantly made the kids feel comfortable. She talked with them like they were part of her journey. It felt personal, not scripted. And here is something we really want you to know. No one rushes you through your meet and greet time. You're not getting pushed along. You're not being hurried. It moves efficiently because the schedule is smart, not because they are cutting your moment short. Also, this crew is incredible. They will take your photo on the camera of your choice, your phone, your camera, whatever you hand them, they will gladly help you get that shot, which makes the whole experience feel relaxed and present instead of stressful. Pro tip, if you want both photos and video, hand your device to the crew for a quick photo first, then do a short video clip yourself right after. A few quick tips that make royal gathering even smoother. Number 1, arrive a few minutes early for your time window, but do not stress. It is super organized. Number 2, have your camera ready, portrait mode, video setting, whatever you like. Number 3, let your kids lead the conversation. Those little moments become core memories. Number 4, bring a tiny item if you want a prop moment. A small autograph book or a themed accessory can be fun. Royal gathering on the Disney Destiny was one of our favorite onboard experiences. Smooth, magical, and genuinely special. If you are sailing soon, try to reserve it as soon as your booking window opens because those times can go fast. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Look at Moana's signature.
Nice.
That was a blast. Only took about 20 minutes. Amazing experience. I definitely recommend it for everyone on a Disney cruise.
If you want more Disney Destiny content, make sure you are subscribed because we are posting as fast as we can. And as always, come wander with us.